recording, dude. It is 1:38 a.m. in the morning. We are
Merry
in Modesto, California.
Melikalikimaka.
It's about that time.
What? Melikalikimaka.
It's Christmas time, bitch.
Melikalikimaka.
Anyways, we are here. We are chilling at Melissa's house, getting ready for the main event. Baby Jesus is born.
Baby Jesus wasn't born on this day. It's a celebration. You biatch.
Okay, when was Jesus born, Fou?
No, it wasn't December 25th. It's a celebration of the. It doesn't tell you the day he was born.
Whatever. Jesus was born.
Whatever me is. You better not cry before I kick your ass, Vio. Look at this biatch. Wait, where's your computer?
Skype in the bizzle dizzle.
Shut it.
The bizzle fizzle.
Hey! What's your name? Drew!
My name is Drew, nigga.
I don't want to be choking.
Okay, bring it back.
Alright. Bye, Drew.
Bye. Yeah, we are here.
Oh yeah, and there's another computer.
Go to sleep. I know you're tired.
Mariota!
I see it. I love it. Okay, your eyes are closing.
Well, she's just staring at the phone. I don't know why.
Someone calling me?
Santa, where are you? There's no chimney over here. How are you gonna bring all the gifts? Santa. I don't think Santa's coming.
People.
Why would they do that?
Because you is
Can someone make a chimney right now?
Ali people.
How am I gonna get my little Sonic I-931 ghetto blaster boom back? It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen, folks.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas to you too, bro. You just told me to shut up, so.
Cause you need to shut up. Like
Well,
shut up.
Honestly,
Can I be included in this?
Like, alright, look at here, buddies. I made a video, right? I taught y'all how to cry, right? So I'm putting my lessons to action, right? I'm living up to it.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Are you talking about me?
I sounded kind of no, me.
Isha.
This is so cool.
Alright.
Marley.
Okay.
Yeah, Isa because
Talafa. We watched it yesterday.
Okay.
Right?
Hello for lava.
I really liked it.
Like
Like the dad was on point. Like his acting skills. Like
Vaifou.
I should have taught the chick Tawila how to cry. You feel me? Because she could use a little bit of work. But overall, that movie is numela kasi. You feel me, son?
Numela toxic, man. Like
Like
no
feel samo ilo vaya to
toxic.
Like to feel it taso bene samo. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
Modesto.
Where's that at?
It's also known as Malofo because ella le iluma o le fale o lo gram
Ilunga.
yeah,
Like
and because
Ilunga.
of that school, you know,
Where'd it go?
the church. What am I talking about? I don't know. Scratch that.
We were at the Folly.
Anyways, what is she talking about?
We were at the Folly, you know.
Yeah. Vaisingano. It's in town, right? So Abia is in town. And I saw a Mao's store and Westpac and, you know, like all the stores that I went to when I was in Cali. And I just missed it. Like, I really missed it. And
Are you guys doing Skype?
No,
Okay, let me come back. No, Skyping. No one wants to watch his boring video.